Hi, everyone. Jennifer Tarle from Tarle Speech. I'm a speech pathologist and an English teacher and a mom too.
Claire.
And we are reviewing the butterfly garden. We are going to watch caterpillars change into butterflies. This is by Insect Lore. This is the second time we are buying this. So this is a replacement. Our last one got a little gross, even though we did wash it. You are able to wash these. We decided to get a new one this year. So why don't you hold this for a second? So it does come with a great book. I love this as a teacher. You can make observations and write a little first, next, then paragraph. There are some parts for labeling. It's great to learn about different part of text. There's also some fun fine motor activities with the dot to dot. You can work on numbers, talking about which butterflies are the same and different. Lots of great language opportunities here. I also like that you get these like little tiny scripts to fill in the blank to help your kids kind of expand their use of some vocabulary words. And then just a lot of observations. And at the end, you get a little certificate. So Claire, go ahead and take it out. Okay. So it comes nice and flat. I love this. This is great for storage, parents. This is how flat you can keep it. And it has Velcro on the back. So go ahead and take the Velcro off. And it pops up. Hello. Okay. So this pops up and the Velcro is then used to hang it up. I do love the new one. It has a clear top and the zipper is a little butterfly, which I think is really cute. It also comes with a pipette that has a butterfly on the end and a little flower sponge holder so that you can take the pipette, put water in here, and then once the butterflies emerge, you have water for them. It's just a super fun, relatively easy activity. This does not come with with caterpillars, but we did get caterpillars. So let's take a look at the caterpillars. Claire, show them the caterpillars. And it was very easy to use the certificate to get the caterpillars. The caterpillars come from a different location, and you get the caterpillars and this cute little holder that once the caterpillars get big and they form their chrysalis on top, you take the lid off and put it in here. That is so much easier than the old version where you had to take this piece of paper off and put it in here. And the chrysalises, they shake and move. And that did kind of freak me out. So a couple of years I had to have my dad and my husband do it because I just didn't like that, even though this really typically doesn't bother me. So get yourself a cup of caterpillars and the butterfly garden. We give it 2 thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. We highly recommend. It's so much fun. Go out and get yourself one today.